We are Teraa Techies and we choose the problem statement Renewable Energy Monitoring System for Microgrids. Our main motto is to develop an IoT based monitoring system for renewable energy in rural areas and provide real time data and to alert if we need to maintain it. And the outcome should be improvised grid with efficiency of 15%.
Of our project Smart Grid System for Home. We are using solar panel for energy supply, and here we can also use wind energy. We are using LDR for measuring the intensity of sunlight so that we can check whether full energy source is absorbed by the panel or not. We used current sensor to measure the output current we get from the solar panel. Batteries are used for storing the energy. Battery voltage current sensor is used to measure the charge level of the battery. We used this light as a load used on our home, and we connected the current sensor in series to measure the current utilized by the load. This is very useful because we can identify which electric device is used to take which is taking more current, and we can also detect the faults in the home circuit. Node MCU also we are using here. The role of Node MCU is to connect the smart grid to our mobile so that we can monitor the smart grid every time. A relay also we are using. The relay is used while the battery is charged above 90%. It sends the remaining current to the EB, and the meter can also be that EB the charge meter can also be measured from our smartphone. Now I on the switch. Let's put a load. This is the view in our phone. So here we can see the load power 155 Here we can also see the load voltage to approximately 240 volt, and here we also can see the solar power consumed, that is 25 watt, and that's the LDR intensity. Now I turn the LED towards LDR and it turns into 4095, and down we can also see the battery percentage, the stored energy in our battery. So the overview of this project is to basically to save renewable energy and to utilize it in a proper way so that we can use the energy wisely by not wasting it. We can also monitor the current utilized by each device from our home, and detection of short circuit at a particular point and defective device is also identified so that the renewable energy is saved. Thank you.